This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating simple causes. Make sure your network is stable and your device time matches your time zone. Once done, confirm you type the exact Google email and most recent password. Next, clear the browser cache or open a private window and try signing in again. If that fails, restart the device and retry. This often resolves transient credential or cookie conflicts. Make sure to note any error code shown so you can reference it in the next steps. If the quick checks didn't work, move into recovery and security review. You should use Google's account recovery flow, provide the last password you remember, and accept codes sent to your recovery phone or email. At the same time, confirm two-step verification status and any backup codes or app-specific passwords. Revoke unknown app access. Also, disable browser extensions that block cookies and update your browser. If possible, try signing in from a different trusted device to isolate the issue. To finish, reset your Google password and then choose Sign out of all devices to clear lingering sessions. Sign back in with the new credentials. Once you regain access, enable two-step verification and store backup codes in a secure place and update any password managers. If problems persist, use Google's recovery process from a device and location you often use. This increases success. If that still fails, contact Google support and provide the error code and timeline. They can help verify identity and restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.